Welcome to Everyday AI. In this video, I will share you how to make pie for mutton in Lahori style. Pie ingredients: mutton or beef pie, 4 pieces cleaned, onion 3 large sliced, ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons, yogurt 1 cup, oil or ghee small 1.5 cup, water 12 to 15 cups. Ingredients of pie masala are salt 2 tablespoon, red chili 2 tablespoon, haldi 1 tablespoon, dhania powder 1 tablespoon, garam masala 1 tablespoon, pie masala 2 tablespoon, bay leaves 2, cinnamon stick 2, black pepper 8. In step 1, wash pie thoroughly with vinegar. Scrub well with vinegar and water to remove odor. Rinse 2 to 3 times. Boil with ginger garlic haldi 1 hour. Add ginger garlic 1 tablespoon haldi. Boil 1 hour to cleanse. Discard water and wash again for clean nihari style base. In step 2, bunai masala. Heat oil, fry onions golden brown. Slice 2 large onions and fry in mustard oil until deep golden. Add ginger garlic and yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste plus 1 cup whisked yogurt. Stir it. Add all masalas, bunai well. Add chili, turmeric, dhania, garam masala, salt, mix well. Bunai 8 to 10 minutes till oil separates. Keep bunai on medium heat until masala is rich and oil comes on top. Step 3, slow cook 4 to 5 hours. Add pie to masala, add 12 cups of water. Cover low flame 4 to 5 hours until meat soft and gelatin thick gravy forms. Stir occasionally. In step 4, tarka and serving. Heat ghee, add ginger and green chilies. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons ghee. Add julienne, ginger and sliced green chilies. Fry 30 seconds. Pour tarka over pie. Pour the sizzling tarka directly over the hot pie pot. Garnish with coriander and lemon wedges. Serve hot with hot naan. Serve immediately with hot naan, raita and lemon. For more videos, please subscribe my channel Everyday AI. Thanks for watching.